10 New Coolest Wearable Tech Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Wearable tech has evolved from being a novelty to becoming an essential part of everyday life. In 2025, Amazon is showcasing some of the coolest, most innovative gadgets designed to fit seamlessly into our routines. These devices not only enhance convenience but also contribute to our health, productivity, and entertainment. Whether it's keeping track of your fitness, improving your communication, or offering futuristic experiences, the gadgets on this list are changing the way we interact with technology. Let's dive into these must-have wearable tech items that are turning heads and making waves in the world of innovation. MO/Go Smart Ring. The MO/Go Smart Ring is a game-changer in the world of wearable tech. This sleek, minimalistic ring packs a powerful punch with its advanced sensors and Bluetooth capabilities. Unlike traditional fitness trackers that are worn on your wrist, the MO/Go Smart Ring is designed to be as stylish as it is functional. It effortlessly tracks your physical activities, including your steps, heart rate, and sleep quality. What sets this ring apart from other wearables is its ability to monitor your stress levels, providing you with real-time feedback on how your body is handling the day's challenges. Garmin Forerunner 265. The Garmin Forerunner 265 is a premium fitness-focused smartwatch built for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Known for its precision tracking and robust features, the Forerunner 265 offers detailed insights into your health, performance, and recovery. Whether you're running a marathon or going for a casual jog, this watch excels at tracking your pace, distance, heart rate, and even cadence. It also features advanced sleep tracking, offering in-depth analysis of your sleep stages and recovery, which can be crucial for optimizing your workouts. What truly sets the Garmin Forerunner 265 apart is its impressive battery life, lasting up to 10 days on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Fitbit Inspire 3. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a compact and stylish fitness tracker that offers a variety of essential features to help you stay active and healthy. This lightweight tracker is perfect for those who want to monitor their fitness without being weighed down by bulky devices. It tracks steps, calories burned, active minutes, and heart rate, helping you stay on top of your daily activity goals. The Inspire 3 also comes with a built-in sleep tracker, giving you insights into your sleep patterns, which is essential for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. What makes the Fitbit Inspire 3 truly special is its simplicity. It's designed to be user-friendly, with a clear display that makes it easy to access your health stats at a glance. Ray-Ban Meta Headliner. The Ray-Ban Meta Headliner combines fashion and technology in a way that has never been seen before. These smart glasses offer a fusion of style and function, integrating cutting-edge augmented reality (AR) capabilities with the classic Ray-Ban design. With built-in speakers and microphones, these glasses allow you to take calls, listen to music, and interact with virtual assistants, all without needing to pull out your phone. The Meta Headliner takes the idea of smart eyewear to the next level by offering AR features that allow you to overlay digital information onto the real world. The glasses are lightweight and comfortable, with a sleek, modern aesthetic that doesn't scream tech gadget. Aura Gen 3 Ring. The Aura Gen 3 Ring is one of the most advanced health tracking devices on the market, offering a comprehensive picture of your physical well-being in a sleek, minimalist design. Unlike bulky fitness trackers, the Aura Ring is discreet and comfortable, designed to be worn 24/7 without drawing attention. The Gen 3 version takes things to the next level, with more precise sensors that measure heart rate variability, body temperature, and sleep stages. It also provides personalized insights into your activity levels, ensuring that you're striking the right balance between exercise, rest, and recovery. What truly sets the Aura Gen 3 Ring apart is its ability to offer in-depth, actionable data on your sleep. Amastad Active 2. The Amastad Active 2 is a fitness smartwatch that brings a host of impressive features in a lightweight and affordable package. This watch is designed to help you track a variety of physical activities, including running, swimming, cycling, and more. With built-in GPS, you can accurately track your routes and monitor your performance in real time. The Active 2 also features heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a stress monitoring function, allowing you to stay on top of both your physical and mental well-being. One of the standout features of the Amastad Active 2 is its long battery life. You can expect it to last for several days on a single charge, even with continuous activity tracking. Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3 is a revolutionary virtual reality (VR) headset that takes immersive gaming and entertainment to new heights. This all-in-one device allows you to explore vast interactive worlds without needing a connected PC or external sensors. With improved graphics, higher resolution, and a broader field of view, the Meta Quest 3 offers an incredibly lifelike experience that transports you to new realms. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or exploring VR applications, the Quest 3 makes it feel like you're actually there. The headset features advanced hand tracking, allowing you to interact with the virtual environment in a more natural and intuitive way. With a lightweight design, it's comfortable to wear for extended sessions, and the built-in audio system creates an immersive sound experience without needing additional headphones. Apple AirPods Pro 2. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 are the latest iteration of Apple's popular wireless earbuds, offering a premium audio experience that is hard to match. With improved noise cancellation, better sound quality, and enhanced comfort, the AirPods Pro 2 are designed to deliver an immersive listening experience, whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls. The earbuds come equipped with spatial audio, which creates an enveloping sound field, making them perfect for movies, gaming, or any media that benefits from 3D audio. One of the standout features of the AirPods Pro 2 is their adaptive transparency mode, which allows you to filter out background noise while still being able to hear important sounds in your environment. This is especially useful for activities like walking or cycling, where you need to stay aware of your surroundings. Shure SE425CL earphones. The Shure SE425CL earphones are designed for audiophiles who demand exceptional sound quality and durability from their audio gear. These in-ear monitors deliver crystal-clear sound with a deep bass response, making them ideal for casual listeners and professionals requiring high-fidelity audio. The SE425CL features a dual-driver system that separates the bass and treble frequencies, resulting in a more balanced and immersive listening experience. Built for comfort and durability, the Shure SE425CL earphones come with multiple ear tip sizes to ensure a secure and customized fit. The high-quality construction is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, making these earphones perfect for musicians, audio engineers, or anyone who values premium sound quality. With detachable cable, the SE425CL also offers easy maintenance and customization, allowing you to replace the cable if it gets damaged. Garmin Instinct 3. The Garmin Instinct 3 is a rugged outdoor-focused smartwatch designed for adventurers who need a durable and reliable device in the harshest conditions. This smartwatch features a robust military-grade build that can withstand extreme temperatures, shock, and water immersion, making it perfect for hikers, climbers, and anyone who enjoys outdoor activities. The Instinct 3 offers comprehensive fitness tracking, including GPS, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking, ensuring you have all the data you need to optimize your performance. One of the standout features of the Garmin Instinct 3 is its specialized outdoor modes, which include tracking for activities like hiking, mountain biking, and skiing. The watch also features a built-in barometer and altimeter, providing real-time elevation and weather information that can be critical in remote areas. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.